Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to make this type of amazing light effect in Adobe Photoshop. I have this image as background. Link to this image is mentioned in the description. You can click and download it from there. Create via copy of it. And hide. Select the type tool and type your word. I am using this Kenyan coffee font. The link of this font is mentioned in the description. Adjust it. Right-click on it and click on Rasterize. Create via copy of it. Press Ctrl+T. Right-click on it and choose Flip Vertical. Right-click again and choose the perspective. Adjust it. Hide this layer. To make the background darker, add a levels adjustment layer. Play with settings. Now select your top image. Right-click on it and choose Create Clipping Mask. Right-click on it and choose Blending Options. Select the stroke and play with settings. Select Inner Glow and play with settings. Then select Outer Glow and play with settings. When it is done, hit OK. Then show this text layer. Go to the Filter menu, then Blur and Gaussian Blur. Apply the amount of 5 pixels. Right-click on it and open the blending options. Go to the underlying layer option. Then hold the Alt button, break this point, and adjust. Hit OK. Add a mask to it. Choose a gradient tool and make sure the foreground color is black. Hold the Shift button and apply. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.